Hey now, Mike Shamon here, and today I'm just going to show you how to do a simple landing page with Divi and Elegant Themes, or Divi from Elegant Themes. The page builder is really awesome. If you want some landing pages, some free landing pages, click the link below. Let's go ahead and get started with this landing page. So I just went to new page, I named it, and I have just started with a section here. And what I'm going to do is I will just add a headline section here. Let's do this the text. Alright, and we'll use some different lorem text right here, some filler text. Okay, and then we will do two sections, right? And then one section will have a video. Alright, and actually I'm just going to add mine from my library because I have a video already in place for this one. And then I'm going to add a subheadline, and actually it's text, but let's do text. Alright, lorem text. Alright, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add more text, and then I'm going to add my email opt-in. Alright, and then let's put instant access. Alright, and then what we will do is we'll make this kind of a duplicate this one and make this one a small text headline, and then we'll make this a little box. Actually, alright, well, let's just see what we got, and then we can mess around with it. Let's go blank page for our template and publish. Alright, now that will take a second to load, and once that loads, we'll go enable the visual builder and see what we got, and then we can play around with our style and what we want to do with it. Alright, so once the page loads, you just go to view page, and let's see what we got right here. Alright, as you can see, the video I've already kind of styled with my logo and everything, my overlay. So let's do this tag. Let's start with the top text and go to enable visual builder. Alright, and for this we will just do this. Go to design and spacing, and actually design background, and let's change the background to a darker, let's just do orange. Okay, design sizing, we'll just go to width, max width 1920. Alright, and then 100%. Alright, so it's there, and then we will go to check, and then we'll go to the text in the middle and go design text. We're going to align that center. Alright, we're going to choose our font that we want, make it white, and then we're going to make it a little bit bigger too, 18. Alright, and then we will do let's do the spacing on the top and the bottom, zero it out. Alright, zero this one out. Alright, so let's keep that like that for a minute. So that's fine. Let's do here, design, spacing, alright. So we want a little bit of spacing, so we'll go back to padding here, and we'll do, let's do 16 on each side. Let's do 10 on each side. A little bit better there. Alright, so we got that, and for the section we're going to go to design and spacing and go to 0 for the top and bottom. Alright, so that hugs that, then that's a headline right there, and then this one right here will be another headline. Let's go to design text, and you can always put these under H2 headings if you want. It doesn't really matter. And we'll center that, make that black, and we will go to let's try 42. Alright, that was cool. Alright, and for the spacing, let's just do, for the margin, let's do 0, and then the padding, we'll do 16 on each side. Alright, so there's that, and let's do the video. Alright, design overlays, where if you go to content and you go to overlay, that's where you can add an image there to overlay the video. And then you just add your video here from you click it and you can just add the HTTP web address there for the video. So there's the video. I want to get a border. I don't want that thick of a border. I want it a little bit thinner. Alright, and let's get rid of the box shadow there. That's like way too strong. No box shadow. And actually, with that no box shadow, let's make this just a little bit thicker. Alright. Now, this is a little bit uneven right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to this column, and I'm going to change it to this. Let's see what that looks a little bit better there. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm just going to make this a subheading. Design, text, alignment, all cap. Alright, and this one will be a small heading. Alright, and maybe a little bit shorter too. What if we just said get instant access? That needs to be a little bit bigger. 24, and then change that, and let's change it to open scenes there, and then make that bold. That looks better. Alright, this other text here, this is going to be a little bit shorter, just a quick call to action, and you're just going to go back to design, text alignment. Alright, and then remember these text sizes and the line height. Alright, and then the email opt-in, we're just going to do background, no background, design, button, we'll do use custom styles. It's going to be text color is going to be blue, and then the background is going to be yellow. Button border width is 0. Alright, 0 letter spacing, button font style, button weight, and it'll be open sans, bold. And actually, for the button color, I'm just going to do a gradient. Actually, reverse that. I like the all blue better. And let's do 1 for the 2 blue. Alright, and then we got to go to design and layout. Actually, let's go to the fields first and do the field width. Field border width, we want to make that 1. See what fields we got. And we're just going to go to content, and we're not going to do any last name field. Just going to do email. And then we will do layout, top bottom, and then the spacing. You just want to do this. Alright, and actually, you know what? Maybe we'll do the name field to content fields. Alright, So that's just a basic landing page right there. And what you could do is, actually, you could make this a darker. No, not that one. Well, you could do this one because the other one, background. Just a little gray, and then if you want to make it full width right here, what you would do is you just go to sizing, and you go to height, and you can make it as far as you want down, but you don't want to leave it at 1,000 pixels for phone and tablet probably. You gotta scroll and stuff. So that's an easy landing page, video lander page right there. So there, I have a lot of landing pages that you can get. So go ahead, click the link below for some free landing pages that with the Divi builder here. And then you can also, if you don't have elegant themes, you can do elegant themes. Now, if you wanted to center this, what you could do is you could just go to this button right here and go to design and go to spacing or sizing and go to equalize column heights, yes. And then go to 32 padding on top there. All right. So, and actually, you know what? I didn't check it out on mobile and everything, so let's do that real fast. All right. Oh yeah, we gotta fix all this stuff right here. Go to design and go to space, or go to text and go to line height here. Do the phone and just do 1. Go to tablet 1. All right, and that looks good. We'll go to spacing because the spacing looks a little bit much. And then on here we'll do. Alright, and then on the phone we'll do the same thing. Alright. There you go. Tablet. That renders out when you when you aren't in the visual builder here. So there's a cool little quick landing page in Divi. So if you want more landing pages, go ahead and click the links below. Have a good one.